Hello, Thursday, December 10th. This is your Async math lesson. All right, so yesterday we did some drawing and we were talking about how to do 10 more and 10 less. And remember, we were using our number grid to do our little hops, 10 more, and then 10 less would be going backwards. So let's take a look at what we did yesterday and let's connect that to our number grid. Okay, real quick, we'll do that. So this is what we did yesterday, and I went ahead and I highlighted the numbers that we were figuring out because I want to make a connection between this and your number grid. So remember, we started in the middle and we drew a picture by looking at our tens and our ones, right? And then to go 10 less, we took one of those 10 sticks away, and to go 10 more, we added an extra 10 stick in, okay? So you can see that we have this up and down rectangle. We go 10 less is up here, 10 more is down here. So remember that little trick that we want to get used to using when we're doing counting. If you can do 10 more in just one hop up, 10 less with just one hop up, wouldn't that be so much easier than counting 10 hops and sweeping, right? And if you can go 10 more by just doing one hop down, that would be so much easier than doing 10 hops and sweeping. So we want to be thinking about 10 more and 10 less going up and down. So let's connect that to our number grid. So these numbers, 26, 36, 46, 8, 18, 28, 41, 51, 61, that are these rectangles. Those are these rectangles right here. So you can see this is the first one we did, 26, 36, 46, or that's the one on the left side. And then actually this is the one that we did first. It was 8, 18, and 28, right? And then if you look over here at this one, it was 41, 51, 61. So I colored them in with my orange highlighter so that you could see that those orange marks on these papers are basically showing us the rectangles here on the number grid. Okay, but instead of just counting boxes and getting so confused because we've got all these numbers all over the place, our brain can actually do things a lot faster just by visualizing and thinking about what these numbers look like. So we're going to continue drawing and building because that helps us get it into our brain what numbers look like. Eventually, we don't want to be drawing anything. We want to be thinking about it in our brain, and we want to do mental math, okay? But we're going to draw for a little while because we got to practice, okay? So this is what we're going to do today. We are going to do this paper that's in your bag, and it's a number grid, but it has a bunch of missing boxes in it. And you can see that these missing boxes go up and down. I'm gonna trace those with my little orange pencil. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. You guys are gonna need this paper, and you're also gonna end up needing this one. So let's go over that real quick, and you can get your materials out that you're gonna need for this assignment. So you're gonna need this paper. Isn't that cool? It looks like my orange rectangles now, right? Okay, and then you're going to need this one called 10 ladders, okay? We're going to do this one together, and then you're going to do this one by yourself, okay? So you're going to need both of those, and they are in the last supply bag number 3, okay? And you're also going to need, we cut these out earlier, in your little baggie in your binder toolkit, you cut out all of your base 10s. Okay, so you should have a whole bunch of 10 sticks, and you should have a whole bunch of cubes. So we're going to use these today, okay? And you can use these to help you draw and build, okay? We're going to be starting Unit 5. Unit 5 is all about base 10 blocks and place values. So we're going to start using these quite a bit. All right, so have these ready to go. You're going to need your pencil, okay? And we're going to be doing some building to fill this paper out together. All right, here we go, guys. So let's look at this paper. I'm going to move it over so I can fit my other pictures in here, or my blocks in here. All right, so now we're going to start with this rectangle right here. And you can notice there's no number up here for us to build, right? So we're going to go all the way down to the bottom of this column, okay? And we are going to look at this number right here because this number is going to give us the clue. So we are going to build 72. Now, I want you to remember, we build our numbers by looking at tens and ones. So I'm going to quickly draw, and I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. Yeah, maybe there. Okay, so remember tens and ones. When we build numbers, the number on the left side is our tens and the number on the right side are the ones. So this number here is the one that's going to be 10 sticks, and this number here is going to be the cubes, okay? So we're going to build 72. So now remember, tens are always on the left. You can't put your 10 sticks on the right. We're going to put our 10 sticks on the left. So we're going to need how many 10 sticks? 7, right? Okay, so you're going to need 7 10 sticks. Let's go ahead and get those out. You're probably going to have to overlap them because these pieces of paper are pretty big. Okay, so I'll probably move my paper over a little bit here. 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, I'll slide this over. All right, so I've got 1, 2. Can we get them all in? I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to overlap them. 4. It'd be easier for me since I have such a small space to use my blue blocks, which I might do. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that's 7 10 sticks for 70. And then we need 2 cubes because there's 2 ones. So we're going to put our cubes kind of together as partners like we did before. All right, so I've got my cubes here. So 2 cubes. So that's 72. All right, so now I need to go up. I need to go up to this box up here. And remember, when we go up, that is less, and that is 10 less. So to do 10 less, we need to take one of those 10 sticks away. So if I take one of those 10 sticks away, now I only have 6 10 sticks. So that would be 62. Everybody put that in there. So then if I go back up another box, that would be 10 less again. So I am going to take another 10 stick out. And now I only have 5 10 sticks. So this one's going to be 52. And you can see, right? 51 is over here. 53 is over here. So it looks like it fits in there, doesn't it? All right. Now I'm going to go 10 less again and take this one, another one away. So now I only have 4. So that is 42. Go 10 less again, take another 10 stick away. Now it's 32. Take another 10 stick away because I got to go up again, right? And now that is 22. Take another 10 stick away. And now it is, 10, 11, 12. Starts with a 1 because it's a teen number, right? And then you take the last 10 stick away, and now you only have 2. Now let's check it out and make sure that they fit in that column correctly. We should have a 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33, 41, 42, 43, 51, 52, 53, 61, 62, 63, and we did it. So good job. All right, let's look at the next one here. The next one, Now I could build either of these because look, we've got a 96 down here and we've got a 26 down here. I'm going to build the 26 so you guys can see how we're doing more this time. Okay, so here's 10, 20, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now remember, did I touch the cubes last time? I didn't, did I? The cubes just stayed there. They were by themselves. Okay, so now I need to go down to this box, which means I'm going to go more. It's going to be 10 more, so I add a stick. So now I have 36. Remember, I didn't change these, okay? Go down 10 more again. add on another 10 stick. So now that is 46. I'm going to add another 10 stick. I'm going to put it down here so I can kind of fill up my space a little bit better. So now I have 5 10 sticks, so that would be 56. Add on another one because I'm going more again. So this is going to be 66. And add on another one, which will be 76. And add on another one, which is 86. 86. So you notice the sixes didn't change at all. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 35, 36, 37, 45, 46, 47, 55, 56, 57, 65, 66, 67, 75, 76, 77, 85, 86, 87. It looks like they all work. Good job, you guys. All right, next one, we're going to do this one over here. Now, I'm going to build 9 because it seems like it goes a little bit faster for me to do that. So I have 6 cubes right now, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you guys ready? I've got 9. I guess you guys can see that here. That's a 9, right? Okay, so here we go. We need to add a 10 stick because we're going 10 more. Ooh, a teen number. That's 19. And then we got another one. Trying to keep this one video, guys. So now we've got 2 of those. That would be a 20, 29. And then we add another one because we're going 10 more again. So there is 3 10 sticks, so that would be 39. And then we do another one, and that is 49. We're going down, so 49. And then we do another one, and that, I'll put it down here, 50. So now we've got 5 of those, so it's 59. And then another one, that's 69. And then one more, because I'm going down again, 79. Look at that. Now let's make sure 18, 19, 20, 28, 29, 30. These are all 9s, right? 30, 30, 40. Okay, and look, remember it goes from 39 to 40. So it switches up to the next 10. So we got to make sure that those are all right. All right, that's great, everybody. You are not going to have to send in a picture of this. Okay, so don't worry about taking a picture of this. This was just to help us practice together. This next one is the one I want you to do on your own. So let's go ahead and get our name, date, number on this paper. Don't forget. We're going to do name, date, and today's date is 12-10-20. Don't forget that number in the corner. Got to get used to doing that because when we come back to school, you got to have name, date, number. All right, so now, boys and girls, this is what you need to do, special instructions, so pay attention, okay? We're going to start right here. We're going to do this one together, and I'm going to show you exactly what I want you to do, and I'm going to use an orange color so that you can see this a little bit better on here. All right, first thing I want you to do is I want you to build, okay? So we're going to do 28, and remember, the 2 is in the 10s. So we are going to have, I'll move these all up here. We're going to have 2 10 sticks here for 20. Move these off to the side. Okay, and then we're going to build our 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8. So there is 28. Okay, now I want you to draw that. I want you to draw it on your paper. Okay, so we're going to draw right here. We're going to do, let's see, do we have enough space to, I want you to do your 10 sticks on this side. So we're going to do 2 10 sticks over here. You can do the shortcut. And then I want you to do your dots on this side. Okay, so that would be 28. Okay, now I want you to, we're not going to do any more drawing on the paper, but I want it on the paper so you see what it is because you need to be able to visualize that. Now we're going to go up here. If we do that, we take a stick away. So now if you look at your picture, you can see what it is, right? It's a teen. So it's a 1 10 stick and 8 cubes. Then if we go up again to this box, we take the last one away, and now we only have 8 cubes, right? Okay. Let's go back here to 28 again. Build your 28. Let's start back at the beginning again. Now you're going to go down. So now you need to add